Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to your foundation school system. Our previous lecture was about the observation, hypothesis and deduction of the second biological problem, and the second biological problem was how plasmodium gets into the blood of man, mean how it enters into the patient. And observations, our most important observations were suggested by AFA King, and the hypothesis was that the plasmodium gets into the blood of man by mosquito. And if deduction was that if mosquito is responsible for the entrance of plasmodium, then plasmodium should be present in the mosquitoes. For to prove the hypothesis and deduction, the scientists performed some experiments, and the most important experiments were Ronald Rold experiments. He performed these experiments to prove his hypothesis. His first experiment, which he performed in 1880, in 1880s he selected Anopheles mosquito, that was a female mosquito, and he bite the malarial patient. He allowed this mosquito to bite malarial patient. After few days, he examined the mosquito's stomach and he found plasmodium in the stomach of mosquito. Now he realized that if the infected mosquito bite a healthy person, he would get malaria, and that was his hypothesis. So that was a risk for a healthy person to allow the mosquito to bite a healthy person. So he did not take the risk, and he performed another experiment. Now he performed his experiment on sparrows, and he took a Culex, a female mosquito, to perform his experiment. What was his experiment? He allowed the Culex mosquito to bite a malarial patient. When he examined the blood of the mosquito stomach, he found plasmodium in it. Now he allowed this infected mosquito to bite a healthy sparrow. And what was his conclusion? He, by his experiment, he found that the healthy sparrows got malaria. So his hypothesis became true. His hypothesis, which he did not take the risk of a healthy person to bite a infected mosquito, when he performed the same thing on the sparrows, he draw conclusion from his experiment that the healthy sparrows got malaria when the infected mosquito bite the healthy sparrow. So his hypothesis became true, and the result of his experiments were that mosquitoes transmit plasmodium and spread malaria in humans. So how plasmodium gets into the blood of man? Mosquito is responsible, or the malaria spread in humans by mosquito, or plasmodium gets into the blood of man by a mosquito. So it was proved by the experiments of Ronald Rose that Plasmodium gets into the blood of man by mosquito. That was our biological problem and solved by these experiments. So I think you are able to understand this biological problem and how that biological problem was solved. Now in the next lecture we will discuss about the theory and laws. Please try to understand it. If there is some difficulty, you can ask Curie.